Sorry it's taken so long to update my videos, but let's try using Avare for a quick flight, using much of what we've learned from the previous tutorials. First, my second generation 2013 Nexus 7 is fired up, and I recently did a wipe and factory restore, and now it works faster and better than ever. If it's feasible, just limit your tablet to your aviation apps. I launched the Avare in-out external app. I select the dual XGPS 170 from the pull-down menu, hit connect, wait a few seconds until I see a stream of data. Now I know it's connected. So in my Grumman, I've got this little setup. The dual XGPS 170 never overheats, picks up GPS and data from right there under the glare shield, and it's so much more compact than a home-built Stratix. Okay, I'm connected. And now I launch Avare. So even on the ground at Montgomery Field in San Diego, I'm already getting data from the local towers. And there's a Southwest jet right over me. Quick check via the Preferences menu that my GPS source actually is the dual XPS and not the internal tablet receiver, and that I'm using ADS-B as my displayed weather source. So I press and hold over my own airport, and that displays the current METAR, performance, winds aloft, airmets, sigmets, pyreps, and more. And we actually do have some drama over Southern California today. I'll change the display so that we see the NexRad image. And you can see the precipitation buildup over LA. Now I switch the display back to the METAR view, and all those dots indicate current METARs for those airports. I press plate and pull up the taxiway diagram. That confirms that the GPS has me on the right spot on the airport. And now, time to go flying. I'm inbound now. You can see the traffic on the right and the side. It's generally busier, but it's late in the day. If I had a destination set, the distance next and estimated time en route data blocks would be filled in as well. I like to use the runway extensions. I'll generally see my N number below my airplane icon, but I don't on this occasion. As soon as I land, the display automatically loads the taxi diagram and shows my motion over the ground as I taxi back to my hangar. I hope that helps you, and if you have any requests for future tutorials, please let me know. Happy flying!